Hello guys. Welcome back to a new episode of Tech It's Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the Mywisely application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end to download your Mywisely application on your Android device. Firstly, open your Play Store. In the search box at the top, type in Wise Mobile Banking or Mywisely and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the Install button to download the application. But if the application is not available on Google Play in your region, open your APK or application, type in Mywisely, and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the Install button at the bottom of the page. It will start the downloading process. While downloading the application, make sure that you're connected to a strong internet. After downloading the application, click on the Install button. Click on the Open button to launch the application. Open the application, and that is how you will be able to download your Mywisely application on your Android device quickly and easily, just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.